Verizon just announced a massive shift in how it's deploying artificial intelligence across its network. Here's what this means for telecom and why it matters for tech professionals. Verizon is leveraging 5G and edge computing to deploy AI at scale. The telecom giant partnered with tech leaders to embed machine learning directly into network infrastructure, reducing latency and enabling real-time processing. This positions Verizon as more than a carrier. It's becoming an AI platform provider for enterprises seeking optimized connectivity. Verizon launched new AI-powered business solutions, including network optimizations. These tools help enterprise clients reduce operational costs and improve efficiency. The company targets manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics sectors where AI-driven insights create competitive advantages and measurable ROI. This strategy directly challenges Oz and Google Cloud in the telecom AI space. Verizon's unique advantage, owning the network infrastructure. By integrating AI services with 5G capabilities, they offer integrated solutions competitors can't match. Industry analysts predict this could generate significant new revenue streams beyond traditional telecom. Expect Verizon to expand AI partnerships and develop industry-specific solutions. The company is clearly betting on edge AI becoming essential infrastructure. Watch for announcements about autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and AI applications powered by Verizon's AI. Subscribe for hit like and comment your thoughts on telecom giants entering enterprise AI.